Hello guys, my name is Nick and today I'm gonna show you how to create playlists on TikTok. Okay, firstly we need to open up TikTok. After that we need to go to our TikTok profile, just click on the profile icon, and in my case I can see this button, sort videos into playlists. To create playlist I need to click right there, and now I need to tap on this big red button, start creating. Now just name your playlist. For example, let's type playlist 1, for example, and click on the next. Now we need to select some videos. For example, let's select last 3 and click on done. Good. Playlist created, and now you can see in my profile my first playlist. Okay, what should you do if you don't have this feature? You need to go to your profile. Now click on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen and let's select settings and privacy. Now scroll down a bit and click on report a problem. Okay. Now just click on account and profile and profile page. Scroll down and click on other. Good. Now you need to click on need more help at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. And now we need to tell about our problem. For example, you can type here, I don't have the option to create playlists. I really need this feature. Can you help me to activate it? And after that, you need to click on submit. And after a few days, you'll get a reply and maybe they'll give you the feature. Or you can just get about 1000 subscribers and the feature should appear on your account. That's all for today. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.